Hey, everybody, happy January. We are back from the holiday break and back to work looking at the biggest ag law issues of the year. And so we're kicking off our 2024 blog posts on the Texas Agricultural Law blog with a recap of our top most read blog posts and our top most 5 downloaded podcast episodes in 2023. So if you're interested to see kind of what everybody was the most excited about as far as our content goes last year, make sure and check out our blog post today. We'll have a link to it in the notes below. Some of the topics that made the top 5 lists include a neighbor-to-neighbor land sale gone wrong. And if you read that and you're from a small town, you'll get a kick out of how familiar some of those situations may sound. Podcast episode on how hill country landowners can prepare for the eclipse. And I think that that's a really important episode, not only for Texas hill country landowners, but for any landowner who may be preparing for an event, whether or not you're choosing to open up your land to participate. I think there's a lot of really great information and advice there for rural landowners. Another huge issue here in Texas is a case that is currently on petition for review at the Texas Supreme Court, looking at who owns produced water. So in oil and gas operations, when oil and gas is extracted by the producer, water comes with it. And so big legal issue here in Texas is who owns that produced water. Is it the surface owner who owns the groundwater rights, or is it the oil and gas producer who has leased the mineral rights? And so I think that's going to be a really important case. It'll be interesting to see if the Texas Supreme Court takes that. Something to watch for sure. So those are just a few of our issues. There are more. Again, check that out today on the Texas Agricultural Law blog. We look forward to seeing your thoughts and comments on those issues.